back today. I had this video pre-recorded, but since I had a couple issues, I had like a couple mistakes. Let me just decided, let me do it again. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on uploading more content this week and getting back to that good tempo. So yeah, today we're doing Plug Power. So right here, this is Google. Let me just read the quick summary. Plug Power Incorporated is an American company engaged in the development of hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries and equipment in vehicles powered by electricity. The company is headquartered in Latham, New York, and has facilities in Spokane, Washington, and Rochester, New York. Okay, so this is Plug Power. Has a $25 share price, just 1 cent shy of $25, just 1 cent. Yep. Market cap 14.35 billion, and this is that was its closing price. So let me take you over to institutional ownership. Am I logged in? Let me just check because I know. Yeah, I guess I'm logged in. Let me see. Yep. Okay. So Plug Power, institutional owners. It has 1,018 total institutional owners. Oh, I think that grew. I think that number was low. Okay, so it has 963 long only, 25 short only, 30 long and short. Shares outstanding, it has 574,355,448. Institutional shares 325,405,263. Institutional value, that's 13,672,667. Related. Okay, so I'm gonna just have the AI read this like always, like that.
Institutional ownership and shareholders. Plug Power Inc. U.S. Plug has 1,018 institutional owners and shareholders, aka shareholding pattern, that have filed 13D/G or 13F forms with the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC. These institutions hold a total of 325,405,263 shares. Largest shareholders include Vanguard Group Inc., BlackRock Incorporated, VTSMX, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund Investor Shares, BNP Paribas Asset Management Holding SA, D.E. Shaw & Co., Inc. State Street Corp., VIMX, Vanguard Midcap Index Fund Investor Shares, NICE, Vanguard Small Cap Index Fund Investor Shares, IWM, iShares Russell 2000 ETF, and Susquehanna International Group, LLP. Plug Power Inc. U.S. Plug institutional ownership structure shows current positions in the company by institutions and funds, as well as latest changes in position size. Major shareholders can include individual investors, mutual funds, hedge funds, or institutions. The Schedule 13D indicates that the investor holds, or held, more than 5% of the company and intends, or intended, to actively pursue a change in business strategy. Schedule 13G indicates a passive investment of over 5%.
Okay. These are 13D&G filings. Yep. Well, yeah, you can just, okay. So this is for March 8th, 2021, 13D. This is Grove Energy Capital LLC. Current shares, that's 54,966,188. Ownership percent right here, 9.60. This is 2021 February 16th, 13G and A. This is D.E. Shaw and Co. LP. Previous shares, that's 20,265,3 341. Current shares as 16,137,926. Vanguard Group 40 million.4. BlackRock 33.5, and this is current shares. So it's 47,161,335. Change percent 40.67. Ownership percent 10.70. And yeah, change percent. So here we have the latest trading. This is closed positions, open positions. Yep. This is Phil, FIL Ltd. So yeah, so they've been, these are all, well, this is a lot. I mean, it's 1,018 institutional ownership. So yeah, so you can see here they're all buying at $35. In ginormous share amounts, and it gets even bigger. So as you can see here, this is Peak Six Investments LLC. Is this a call at $35.02 for 243,900 shares. Shares changed percent value. Yep. And this says profit and return. So yeah, the biggest one here being FIL Ltd. Oh no, that's shares changed. That's either, I think they're averaging down or stock conversions and stuff like that. So yeah, you come down here, you see even bigger. This is APG Asset Management NV. They bought at $29.66. This is 1,386,398 shares. I think it's right. Shares percent. Shares changed. Oh yeah, I can go over that for days. Where are they? Let me see. Yup, right here. This is so much. Yup. This is profit. No, I think that's, yeah, that's profit. This is return, cost basis right here. Yep. Let me keep going down. So yeah, this is Geode Capital Management LLC. They bought at $34.98 for how much shares? 6,774,860 shares. So a behemoth amount. Yeah, well, there's just so much, so I can just continue to scroll down. Northern Trust Corp. $35.01. They brought 3,082,882 shares. Yeah, you can just pause it because it's a lot. It's a lot. This is showing 1,018 institutional owners. So this is Goldman Sachs Group. $35.02. They brought 2,819,750 shares. And yeah, pretty fun. This is Vanguard Group. So yeah, so I can just keep on going. Vanguard Group. That's the same price. They're all buying at the same prices for a lot of them. This is 49.1 million shares. You know, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I think this is either, it can be stock conversions, it can be stock note, it could be, you know, either put or call option. Yeah, I don't want to go over the rumors, but in the financial world of how they can tweak these numbers and they can put a negative, I just don't. It's just a rumor. But yeah, there's pretty, that can either mean a stock conversion, call put options, or stock notes. So yeah, so this is J.P. Morgan, 2.2 million. This is Bank of Montreal, 2.1 million. Simplex Trading LLC, 1.8 million. Again, just yeah, that's within the same trade right here. And I think, what is that, like a premium, right? In options. It must be trading. It must trading options must be fun for those who knows how to trade it. Will always come out on top. Must be. Bank of New York Mellon Corp. $35, 2.5 million shares. Yep. This is ALP Advisors Incorporated. 1.4 million shares. Susquehanna. That's Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett. $35. So here they all buy the same share, the same prices. He brought $6,068,061. Again, this is all within the same day. Within the same day. No, so I mean this 13F was reported on the 11th. That looks like, I think that was like what, like Wednesday, Thursday. I think, yeah, around that time. I think this was like Wednesday. So it was reported that day. Yeah, the exact day that trade was placed. I don't know that. BlackRock, 44,807,168 shares. Yeah, so where is it at? Right here. This is BlackRock. I think we up here we saw even bigger, right? Let me not waste time. Yeah, BlackRock. Torque Capital Management. 514,500 shares. Let me keep scrolling down. So yeah, you can pause it if you want. It's a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, so I think that's like the best thing. I'm gonna just keep scrolling through this, and you can pause it if you want. Yeah. State Street Corp. Share price $34.88. This is how much shares they brought: 12,000,000. 85,998 shares. Yeah, so this is profit right here. So let me put that in the calculator, see how much that comes out to. That's easily 19. That'll come on to like 19,555,000. This is, yeah. Let me see that calculator. Yep. So that's what that comes out to. For a 7.5% return on that trade. investment. That's a lot of money. Those are good returns. This is Fidelity. Fidelity Small Cap Index Fund, 3,008,399 shares at $45.84. Just got a whole bunch of Vanguard orders here. The index fund. See, that's 11.2 million. Yep, 14.1 million. Just ridiculous share amounts. This is iShares Russell 2000 ETF. That same price, $34.88. 9.9 million shares. Yeah. And you can calculate to that what that, I mean, no, this is, I think that's like cost basis. Let me see something. Yeah. I'm getting confused. Where did we leave off? Right here. Yeah, so that's like 175,000 profit on that trade. That's 6.6% return. 6.06%. And these are smaller trades. Quantitative Master Series LLC, Master Small Caps Index Series right here for $1,168,000 profit. Keep scrolling. Again, here you got the iShares Russell 2000 Growth ETF. They brought at $34.87. They brought 3,600,123 shares. Right here, the cost basis, profit, and return. 5.85% return.